Home Remedies presents
150 times stronger than ginger and garlic. Destruction of all bacteria and fungi. Healthy recipe. Today I will share with you an easy recipe to stay healthy and detoxify your body from toxins from time to time. It is very easy to prepare this. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Let's see how to make the remedy. Ingredients: 1 bunch of celery, 100 grams spinach, 2 cucumbers, 1 carrot, 1 lemon juice, water 300 ml. Directions: wash the celery and spinach thoroughly. Chop and add in blender. Chop the carrots and cucumbers and add it in it. Add lemon juice from 1 lemon and water in the blender and blend till smooth. Strain the drink through strainer or cheesecloth. Your remedy is ready to be used. Drink 1 glass daily before breakfast. Store the leftover in the fridge.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.